Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today it's going to be a bit different because we are not riding or we are not reviewing any motorcycles, but I just wanted to uh, get some work done on my car. This is a 2006 Skoda Octavia Combi, and as you can see the display right here in the instrument cluster, it's not working well. I mean, nothing is visible, and the problem with that is whenever you have an LCD display, you have a polarizer film on top of that display, and over the years with the heat, the polarizer film gets ruined. It breaks, it gets hardened, and because of that, the display was not visible at first. So what I did earlier yesterday was I removed the whole meter and I scraped off the polarizer film. So you don't see the plastic remains on top. You just see the backlight here. So what I wanted to shoot the video for right now is just showing the process of how to remove the meter from the car. So as you can see, there are two holes right here. They have your screws. I'll just show you which one that is. These ones. Okay, so once you've removed these screws, what you need to do is not to remove the cover from here, but rather hold this and press this and just pull right here. Okay, if you pull it right here, the bottom part comes out, and then you can take the whole cover apart. And then there are two more screws right here and right here at the back, and once you've got those out, the meter just rolls down. Meter just rolls down and you can just pop it out from right here. And once that is out, the meter is out, you just need to shut down your car, take the key out, and you can proceed to disconnect the socket. Oh, before I do that, I'll just show you. Yeah, so what I wanted to show you guys was how the polarizer film works, and what would happen if I install the new polarizer film now on this LCD. So polarizer film looks something like this. This is just a plastic film, and what happens is, just look at this. As soon as you get the film in front of the display, you will be able to see what's on the display. Just take a look at it. Okay, yeah. Can you see? Look at that. Look at that. So see, I have marked this line. This is going to be the angle of the film, and if I move it, the polarization of the light changes. See, this is how it's supposed to look. So we're going to take the meter out and just install this plastic film, and we'll be good to go. Alright, so when you have taken the meter out, you'll be able to see a socket right here, and you just need to press down on this lock and open this thing right here, the pink thing. And once it opens here, you can just pull the socket out using the help of that pink thing, rotate it all the way to here. Same thing is right here with the green socket, and I won't be able to record it as I finagle my way around it, but once it's out I'll show you. Okay, I was able to unlock this by pressing down on the lock right in the middle here, the small bump that you see, and once it's out we just need to pull it this way, right this way. Okay, it's kind of hard to do it with one hand. Okay, once it's out, same thing with the other one, and we can take the meter home and open it. Okay, we now have the meter out with us, and we can start to disassemble it. So the first thing that you would need to do is see these hooks on the top. You just open 4 of these, and there are 2 more at the bottom here, and the way to open it is just press it. Start with the top. Okay, so the top part is open. The bottom part has clips right here as well at the sides. Another one right here at the side, and lastly at the bottom. Glass is out, keep it at the side. Alright, now same thing with these clips as well. There's 4 on the top and 2 at the bottom. Also there are these 2 screws, one on this side, one on this side. So once we have that out, we'll be able to access the internal circuit board. Okay, once the clips are out, you can just remove this cover and we'll have the meter right here, as you can see. Now what we need to do is get the PCB out of this back cover. For that we just need to pull the back cover out. There is no screws or holes for this. There's no screws for this. So to pull the back cover out, at the sides you see these kind of clips right here. So you just open it using that. Same as on this side. See right here. Sorry guys for the shaky camera footage, but it's kind of hard to do it with one hand. And once that's done, you'll be able to get the circuit out of the cover. Now in order to get the LCD, in order to access the LCD, you have to remove this metal frame that is right besides the LCD, and to do that we have these locks at the back, and I have already unlocked them. Basically they are twisted in such a way that it holds itself to the circuit board, and you just need to twist it back a little and you can just push this out from here and here, and the metal frame will pop right out. So let's do that. You could remove this this speedo dial as well. It will be easier to remove the metal plate. Okay, let's just remove the needles and take this off, this black dial, and then we'll take the metal frame off. So in order to remove the needles, just turn it around and pull it just a bit. It will come right off. Same thing with this one. Just turn it around, pull it lightly, and it will come right out. Okay. Now with the speedo needle, this is out as well. Okay. Now you could just, so this paper also has a locking mechanism. If you see right here, you need to match the holes with the bumps like this. See, you can see the hole is in that shape. Alright, so once this is out, we have access to the LCD now. So as you can see, I don't have the polarizer film on my LCD because I opened it last night and I removed all the film, and I cleaned the surface as well. And I have the new polarizer film now, as I showed you in the car. This is the one. This we will install it on top of that. But again, before installing that film, we'll clean it up a bit with some isopropyl alcohol, and then we can start with the install. Okay guys, so as you can see, मैंने वो polarizer film लगा दिया है, and there are minor bubbles here, but वो मेरे हाथ से fit करने में it sometimes happens. I mean, you won't be able to fit it very perfectly, but still this is looking good. Now let's install it and see how it works. Now the moment of truth, guys. Let's see if our work is successful or not. Turning the key on. Yes. Okay, this looks very crisp and clear. I am very happy with the outcome of this. Let's see. Yeah, the LCD is working quite well, and okay, we have the top of wash fluid. Okay, so the upper half of the LCD, if you guys didn't know, is that turns on when I turn on the tape here. So if I switch it on, look how cool this is, guys. Man, this is complete 90s vibes. And see, as soon as I turn it off and on, I turn it on and we have the volume and all right here on the top. Alright, so I can say this has been a huge success, and we have saved a lot of money. Otherwise we would have to get the whole instrument cluster, meaning the whole speedometer, just to fix our LCD display, and that would have costed in the aftermarket somewhere around 7,000 to 8,000 rupees. So all in all, I am very happy with this. I mean, I'm still not able to see any bubbles here from this distance, so this is completely fine for me. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I'll just fit the rest of the things here and we'll be good to go. Thank you.